Hello guys, welcome to Earning Markets. Today we will learn one of the important topic of investing in stock market for all the new investors, that is dividends. So what are dividends and what is dividend yield? Which companies give dividend? Today let us clear all these points. So let's start. When a company earns a sufficient amount of net profit, it either decides to reinvest that money on expansion, launching new products or services, or acquiring other companies, etc. But when all these conditions are satisfied, then the company decides to share a part of profits among all the shareholders. So the amount received from the company per share is called as dividend. Let's take an example. If a company XYZ made a profit of 100 crores in one financial year, then let's say that the board of directors of the company has decided to share 20 crores among the shareholders. And if there exists 2 crore outstanding share of the company, therefore dividend received will be 20 crores by 2 crore, which is 10. Therefore dividend received per share will be rupees 10. These 20 crores are shared with all the shareholders, which includes promoters of the company, big institutional investors, and small retail investors like you and me, if we own shares of that company. So we all may have a doubt that do all companies which makes profit gives dividend? The answer is simple, that is no. Every company which makes profit doesn't give dividend. Example, if a small or mid-sized company wants to grow and expand its business, it will reinvest that money in the company, or it may reserve it for the future expansion or for acquiring other companies. This is one of the good decision of the company. And on the other hand, if the company is satisfied with its growth, it may give frequent dividends. Let's take an interesting example. Company of Warren Buffett, which is Berkshire Hathaway, has never given a single dividend. But the company itself owns the share of other companies, which gives frequent dividends. So you should not judge a company only on the basis of the dividends given. There may be other reasons, positive or maybe negative reasons for it. One of the biggest advantage of dividends is that it is a tax-free income on a regular basis. Yes, dividends are tax-free up to rupees 10 lakhs per year. There is a term to compare dividend of one company with respect to other, called as dividend yield. Dividend yield is the amount of dividend expressed in its current share price, which is dividend by share price into 100. For example, if share price of Reliance Industries is rupees 1000, let's assume it, and it declared a dividend of rupees 20 per share. Therefore, dividend yield will be 20 by 1000 into 100, which is 2%. And if Tata Steel share price is rupees 500 and it declared a dividend of rupees 15 per share, therefore dividend yield will be 15 by 500 into 100, which is 3%. Therefore dividend given by Tata Steel is better than Reliance Industries. So this was all about dividends given by the company. If you have any doubts on dividends or any other doubts on share market, ask us in the comment box and tell us that on which topic would you like the next video. And don't forget to like this one. So subscribe our channel and press that bell icon to never miss any video. And don't forget to share this video. You may connect us on our Instagram and Facebook page. Here we end this video. Hope you like it. Stay connected. Thank you.